Sudha here. Today in this video we're going to discuss how we can take input from the user. So you just need to follow me and don't forget to subscribe my channel, the light, and click on the bell icon. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So first open dev C++ and here I've already typed the basic syntax of the program. So we just enter in the main function, and here in this program I will takes a value of the string variable from the user and then display it out on the screen. So guys, here type data type string and then variable name, that is one, and then here to display the message use cout within double quotes, please enter your name, and then terminator, and then use cin for taking input from the user. So guys, here use variable name and then terminator, that is basically used for taking input from the user. So guys, here to display it out on the screen use cout and simple insertion operator, and then within double quotes your name is, and then the value is stored in variable n, so use n variable, and then terminator. Now save this program and click on execute, compile and done, and here we get the output, please enter your name. So guys, here enter your name, that is Huda, and then enter your name is Huda. So guys, here understand the working of this program. It's really so simple. First, control move in the main function and read string n and then terminator, and then declare a variable n, that is string type. So this message will print on the screen, please enter your name, and then it takes a value from the user that is stored in n variable using cin. So console in is used for taking input from the user, and then cout statement is used to print the value of the n variable on the screen. So your name is as it's print on the screen, and then the value of the variable n is also print on the screen. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then click on the like button, subscribe button and share button. If you have any query, then comment below. I will see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.